Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. So right now my portfolio is worth $154,339.73. In the past year, I am up $68,367.40. Year to date for the year 2025, I am up $15,214.01. Today was a green day for me. I was up $3,284.90 today, so up over $3,000 just today. Let's go over my positions. For my options, I'm selling Toyota $175 covered calls. These expire February 21st. My return, I am down $663. I'm selling Amazon $220 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $840. I'm selling Delta Airlines $60 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $1,540. I'm selling Disney $120 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, $602. I'm selling Google $190 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $444.99. I'm selling SoFi $15 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $1,536. I'm selling Target $145 covered calls. These expire March 21st. My return, I am down $130. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and AVAX. For my stocks, I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $235.30. My average cost, $226.06. My return, $2,772.50. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $16.49. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $69,066.05. I have 300 shares of Google. Google's at $201.97. My average cost, $177.69. My return, $7,285.50. I have 400 shares of Disney. Disney is at $113.90. My average cost, $114.49. My return, I am down $234.97. I have 200 shares of Target. Target is at $140.60. My average cost, $149.41. My return, I am down $1,762.50. I have 200 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $69. My average cost, $65.76. My return, $1,296. I have 100 shares of Toyota. Toyota is at $192.19. My average cost, $182.10. My return, $1,009.04. This is a margin account. My margin total is $171,183.73. My margin used is $169,710.37. This gives me $1,473.36 in buying power. My margin status is low risk. My buffer is $66,358.13. This is how much money I can lose before I get margin called. My annual interest rate is 5.25%. The daily interest that I'm paying is $24.60, and I'm borrowing $1,000 of margin interest free. So I'm back up at 154K right now, and this is after I already withdrew more than $5,000 recently. So I'm really happy that I'm able to maintain this high of a balance right now. Now, several things to talk about, and that is one of them being my Toyota covered calls. So right now Toyota's at 192, and I chose a strike price of 175. I feel no need to change this at all. I'm going to keep it this way, especially because Toyota reports earnings before my expiration date. So they're going to report, I believe, February 5th. Yes, February 5th pre-market. So it could go down by a lot after they report if they have bad news. I'm not sure. So because of that, I feel no need to increase the strike price any higher than it already is. And plus, the original intent of this was just to make like a 2% gain just from the covered calls that I did. So I don't feel the need to make this higher and, feel the need to make it higher just so I don't miss out on money. I don't care if I miss out on money because the original intent of this, I just want to get a quick profit and then move on. So I actually want it to stay above 175. Now for Amazon, it's at 235 and I chose a strike price of 220. Most likely going to get called away at this point, but we'll see. If I have enough money left over, I'll roll these out. But to be honest, I'm so focused on SoFi and I only have $1,000 in buying power right now. So who knows if it's going to happen, but we'll see. There's still 2 months left. About 2 months left till expiration, so we'll see. Delta Airlines, I don't really care about. It's above 60 right now, but I'm okay with that. Disney. Now this one, it's at 113.90 cents, so close to 114 right now. I'm surprised. It's finally making a small move up. Will it actually hit 120 before expiration? Could happen. This one I'm not sure about, to be honest. It could go either way. But for now, it is still below 120. Google, I do like this one as well, but this one is just like Amazon. Most likely it's going to get called away. It's at 201, and I chose a strike price of 190, so these will probably get called away. If I have the money, I might just roll these out, but again, that's a big if, because I want to save my monies for rolling SoFi out if I need to. Speaking of SoFi, it has gone up a little bit in the past few days. I was planning to wait a little bit until I roll these out. I mean, it's not at 18. It's not back up at 18 again. Thank goodness, because I do want to roll these out for a cheaper price. Still in the 16, so I can still do that, but we'll see. For now, I want to let these expire. So here's my plan. All right, it's the end of January, so we're going into February. These expire February 21st, so my plan was to wait until expiration so I can get the money from this and then use that to roll out my covered calls on SoFi. However, if SoFi goes up too much from now until then, that's going to ruin my plan. But that was my plan. It's still not that high for now, so thank goodness, but we'll see. And then lastly, Target. It's below 145, but it's getting there. It's at 140 right now, 140 and 60 cents. So by expiration, if this trend continues, it actually might go above 145, which I want. I want it to go above 145 so I get my shares get called away, you know. The original intent of this one too was to just make a quick profit, but then Target went down by quite a lot. As you can see here, They were at like 156 and dropped down all the way to 121. I mean, that was a huge drop. And it's slowly recovering since then. As you can see, it's on an upward trend since then. So I actually do want this to go of 145 expiration. Hopefully that happens. And then my shares of Target get called away. And then I make some profit overall. But yeah, everything's going pretty well. Nothing really too concerning. And I'll have to just adjust and, you know, decide what I want to do as time goes on. But for now, not much action happening. It's same old, same old. All right. That's pretty much all I have to report for this portfolio update. If I do make any new changes or get rid of positions, add any new ones, I'll let you guys know in a future update. But for now, that's pretty much it. If you guys do like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.